I agree with my opponent that photomath can only solve toy problems. Prior to photomath, these toys were a necessary step in a student's mathematical development. Just like we used to think that multiplying two 4-digit numbers or doing long division with 3-digit divisors was necessary. Those problems did more to turn students off to mathematics than anything else, perhaps with the exception of fractions. With photomath, they will be able to play with more advanced toys. I know firsthand that photomath can be used for cheating. But I also have a feeling that someone who wants to cheat will figure out a way to do that. And websites such as Slader and Che have already made it easy to cheat on textbook problems. However, just because technology can be abused doesn't mean that it's bad for our students. And though I'm not illiterate, thank you, Microsoft Word has made me a better speller, and its grammar suggestions have improved my writing. In the same way, it's possible that photomath will help make our students better at doing mathematics. I agree, there's no shortcuts to learning mathematics, especially if what we're talking about is learning to think logically. However, I question whether the ability to factor 30 polynomial expressions or differentiate 20 functions on a homework assignment demonstrates logical thinking. Eventually, apps like Photomath will be able to solve problems that can be stated, any problems that can be stated with uninteresting verbs like factor, evaluate, differentiate, and integrate. With the help of technology, our students will be able to focus their attention on more interesting verbs, such as justify, generalize, and construct. It all comes down to one question. What is math truly about? As I see it, it's not about solving equations and multiplying correctly. It's not about even finding derivatives or integrals. It's about finding patterns and logical reasoning. This occurs outside of everything almost everyone thinks is math. Apps like Photomath won't help us solve an applied problem. They won't help analyze data or explain why higher math is important to learn. However, they just might enable us to turn our attention from teaching the math of algorithms to the math of applications. As I see it, we have two options. Either we embrace apps like Photomath and change our curriculum to take advantage of its capabilities, or we can fight it. And it may very well be a losing battle. So, here we are at the end of our debate.